Welcome all my dear students to Sudharma's Physics Classroom. In Standard 10 chapter Magnetic Effect of Electric Current, we have a topic right hand thumb rule. So most of you have already studied the right hand thumb rule, but I know many of you have difficulty in solving the questions. So let me explain you that with simple steps. So if you get any question on right hand thumb rule, how to apply that? Let's see that. So according to the right hand thumb rule, we are going to find out the direction of magnetic field in a straight current carrying conductor. So remember, we have to use this rule only for a straight current carrying conductor where we have to find out the direction of magnetic field. So I am going to use my pencil as my current carrying conductor. So we have to keep our thumb in the direction of current, then wrap around the conductor. So the direction in which the fingers are wrapping around the conductor will give you the direction of magnetic field. That is the right hand thumb rule. So how we are going to solve the question? So if you have a pen or pencil handy in your place, just take that pen or pencil, keep your thumb in the direction of current according to the question, then wrap around the conductor. It's done. It's very simple. So let's see in which different directions of current, how do we answer that question. So if the current is upward in the question, if the current is flowing upward, take the tip of the pencil in the upward direction. So keep your thumb in the upward direction, wrap around the conductor. So when you wrap around the conductor, you can see that the fingers are wrapping around the conductor in the anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise, right? So anti-clockwise direction. So the magnetic field is in the anti-clockwise direction. Now let's see what happens if the current is in the downward direction. Keep the thumb in the downward direction, keep the tip of the pencil in the downward direction, thumb in the downward direction, wrap around the conductor. The fingers will be wrapping around the conductor in the clockwise direction. You see it's in the clockwise direction. So the direction of magnetic field this time is clockwise direction. Another doubtful question is when the question is in the horizontal plane. When they say that the direction of current is from east to west or north to south, so definitely we have to keep the conductor in the horizontal plane. So in that point of time, how do we answer the question? So maybe you have seen it says that it's into the plane or out of the plane. How do we answer that question? So we have to imagine that the conductor is in a plane. So what is the plane? Here the conductor, my pencil, it is lying on the plane, that is the sheet of paper. So I keep the conductor in the plane which contains that conductor, right? That is the sheet of paper. So if the current is from right to left, it's from my right to left, I am keeping the tip of the pencil towards my left, current in the direction of thumb in the direction of current. So just observe what is happening. So my curled fingers wrapping around the conductor, it is just moving down. So how do we answer that? Here we cannot answer it like clockwise or anti-clockwise. Imagine the conductor on the plane of the paper. So my fingers are trying to go into the paper, right? It's trying to pierce into the plane, into the paper. If I just put my fingers down and wrap around the conductor completely, my fingers will be going into the paper. So we can answer that the magnetic field is into the plane. Okay, so if the current is from right to left, never by heart the things, do it and answer it. So from right to left, thumb is towards the left, the fingers will go into the plane. What about the other way? If the current is towards my right side, so I have to keep the thumb towards the right side, the tip of the pencil is towards the right side, then keep the thumb in the direction of current, then the fingers will be trying to come out of the plane. So if there was a plane, right, if there is a plane, it's an imaginary plane, that is why I kept the sheet of paper here. So if the fingers are trying to come out of the plane in this case, okay, so here the current is from my left to right, the thumb is towards my right side, and the curled fingers are coming from bottom to top. The answer for the magnetic field direction here is magnetic field lines are coming out of the plane. So in any case, in any question, if you are getting the fingers going down, then it is into the plane. If you are getting your fingers coming from bottom to top, you can write it as out of the plane. If it is in the vertical plane, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So hope you understood how to solve the right hand thumb rule question. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.